My Kali Warriors, today I want to share with you what I believe to be the ultimate drill for developing supreme weapon handling skills. Now we could do this drill on any weapon category: the knife, the double stick, Abecedario, the staff, the spear, even the empty hands. But today I'm going to share it with you on the single stick or the single sword. If you want to see some demonstration of this drill across the other areas of Kali, let me know down in the comments and I could go ahead and make that video as well. But I figured let me share it with you on the very basics of Kali, which is the single stick or the single sword. And then from there you can at least start experimenting with the principle of it across the other areas for yourself. So let me know down in the comments if that is a video you would like me to do to show you some other examples of how to apply this drill. If you're excited about developing supreme weapon handling skills, hit the thumbs up button right now. If you're new to the Kali Center channel, then hit that subscribe button and let's get into it. The ultimate weapon handling drill in Kali is known as Abecedario, or simply the ABCs. And this is where we take the strikes of our weapons and we create the letters of the alphabet. So for example, we come through and strike, creating an A, going right into a B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. We can also do lowercase letters as well. And the uppercase letters are really good for working those full strikes. And the lowercase letters are very good for learning the control of the tip of the weapon. Okay? So here's your A, your B, your C, your D, your E, okay, even your F. So again, you can work both capital letters, you can work lowercase letters, and they both have their function. You can even mix or match. But one of the more brilliant ways that we can look at this drill is that we can employ more creativity into this drill, where we could take one letter and dissect all the different ways that we can create this letter with our weapon. So if we take a look at just the letter A, for example, right, we can strike a forehand downward, a backhand downward, and then across that horizontal. But we can also start it on the backhand side to the forehand side and across on that horizontal. We can go upwards. I could strike an upward forehand, an upward backhand, and across the horizontal. And then reverse that. The backhand upward, the forehand upward, and then across on the horizontal. We can get a little more intermediate with the letter A as well. Maybe I come upward on one side, I flip it over, come downward on the other side, and then come across. We can get even more advanced by including more advanced manipulations. We can use things like floretes. Okay, we can use the florete on the other side. We can come up the floretes and then strike across. So I want you to be as creative as you can and just take like 1 to 2 minutes, kind of 1 to 2 minute rounds, and spend that round just isolating one letter. And then your next round, the next letter. Then you can start to kind of go more into a free flow, a carenza type free flow, at looking at all the different ways that you can stay within that one letter. Going from uppercase to lowercase, going from full slashes, right, to controlling the tip of your weapon. You can even take the principle of this Abecedario and you can start stringing words together, maybe spelling out your name. I'll use my name for example. right there. Or maybe just Kali Center. K-A-L-I-C-E-N-T-E and R. The Abecedario drill is a great way to explore and find new ways to strike your weapon, to break the monotony of being stuck on the same patterns over and over again. Now you can take the Abecedario principle here and you can apply it to any alphabet that you like, that you know. You can even apply it to numbers, the numerals. We're going to strike our 1, our 2, our 3, our 4, our 5, our 6, 7, and you can go, sky is the limit. But the main thing is, have fun with this drill, and you can really get kind of sucked into it, and you can break apart each letter or each number or each symbol, everything. The point is to be explorative and have fun with this drill. You can really get lost into this whole creative kind of adventure rabbit hole of different ways that you can manipulate and strike your weapon. And while you're getting lost into this vastness of weapon handling creativity, you're developing some truly superior weapon handling skills. Your grip is getting stronger. You're able to maneuver your weapon in many different ways, predictable ways, unpredictable ways. And this is the key to developing ultimate weapon handling ability. So have fun with your Abecedario training, explore it with other weapon categories of Kali, and maybe even different weapons from different styles of martial arts. If you want to continue your training with me and take your Kali to another level, join our online classes and even get one-on-one online private training. Check out my online school at kalicenter.com. It'll be the first link in the description below. Happy swinging, stay fierce. I'll see you back here next time.